In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to get binoculars in Arc Raiders. If you're new to the game and not quite sure where to find this handy piece of gear, don't worry. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along without missing a thing. Binoculars are great for scouting ahead, spotting enemies or points of interest from a safe distance, and planning your route before you commit. The good news is, you don't have to craft them or grind for a drop. You can buy them straight from a vendor in the game's menus. Start from the main menu. Along the top of the screen, you'll see a row of tabs. Navigate over to the tab labeled Traders. Depending on your platform, the exact button prompt might differ, but the tab name is the key. When you open Traders, you'll see a list of vendors you can interact with. You're looking for the vendor named Shani the Security. This vendor handles practical, security-focused items, and that's where the binoculars are sold. Open Shani the Security shop and look through the available items. You should see binoculars listed in the catalog. Highlight the binoculars to check the details and the cost, and make sure you have enough in-game currency to cover the purchase. Prices can vary with updates, but if you're short on funds, you'll need to earn a bit more before you can complete the buy. If the item doesn't appear right away, it may be rotating stock. Simply check back later when the shop refreshes. When you're ready, select the binoculars and choose Purchase. The game may prompt you to confirm, so accept the confirmation to finalize the transaction. That's all there is to it. Once the purchase is complete, the binoculars are added to your account and available for use as intended by the game. You don't need to craft anything or finish a quest. Buying them from Shani the Security in the Traders tab is the entire process. If your menus look slightly different, make sure you're actually on the main menu and not inside a mission or a sub-menu. Also, keep an eye on your currency total so you're not surprised at checkout. And if you're returning after a patch, a quick look through the Traders tab will confirm the current location and availability. To recap, head to the main menu, open the Traders tab, go to Shani the Security, find the binoculars, and purchase them. Simple, quick, and incredibly useful for early scouting. Enjoy exploring with your new view, and have fun out there.